finally got our luggage. That's a whole nother story. But today's August 1st. We actually didn't even realize when we came to Switzerland that August 1st is Switzerland's Independence Day. But when we learned that, we started researching celebrations nearby and realized that there's a big festival in Bern that's every year, all day long. So that's where we're headed.
nach Lies, Bern und wünscht Ihnen eine angenehme.
Waiting for it to get going. We have about a 30-minute train ride to get to Bern from our Airbnb in Griffin, so hopefully we get moving soon.
Pack your lunch, spend your money on beer.
Have a nice day. Yeah, you as well. Thank you.
One of the coolest things about the 1st of August celebration here in Bern is that they just have rows of public charcoal grills where you can get uncooked burgers or sausage or chicken and cook it yourself. As soon as I saw this, I knew I wanted to try it. I don't know what this sauce is, but we'll see if I like it. Honestly, wasn't even gonna take another clip about this burger, but this is amazing. Probably the best burger I've had in months, and the sauce is really spicy.
Delicious.
Exquisite.
Exquisite.
I kind of feel like we're on an amazing race challenge right now because we have roughly an hour and 20 minutes to make it a mile walk up this river and then swim, float all the way back down it, which is what we came here to do. But we had some hurdles and we have to do that in an hour and 20 minutes because the last train leaves from Bern back to Griffin where we're staying then, and if we don't make it, we're screwed until 6 in the morning. So we're hoping for the best. This is a much needed beach bowl. I would not have been able to do this. This is the bluest water I've ever seen.
It's 5:45, which means we have how long? 45 minutes, I think?
Yeah, 39 minutes.
39 minutes to get out of this water, get to our locker, get all our things, and probably run to the train. Barely made it.